The National Weather Service issued a hurricane watch, effective until 5 p.m. Sunday and 8 a.m. Thursday. This watched the following counties: Mays Bank area, Mission Row, Vinewood Hills, Elborough Heights, Alta Street, South Los Santos, Carson Avenue, McDonald Station, El Reno, Vispoxy, San Andreas Avenue, and West Eclipse. Remember, a hurricane watch is in effect for this area for heavy rain, thunderstorms, and damaging windy conditions. This watch is issued up to 100 hours before hazardous conditions begin. Urgently complete efforts to protect life and property. A hurricane watch is in effect until 8 a.m. Thursday. In Los Santos, for your protection, move to an interior room on the highest destroyed of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to hurricane. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Hey guys, what's up? This is our Hurricane Watch and our King Michael de Los Santos. Heavy rain, thunderstorms, and damaging winds conditions. Okay. My name is Gustavo, we are King Michael by weather, the National Weather Service emergency alert system. Heavy rain and 150 miles per hour. Thank you.